Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on ASUS VIVOBOOK. And to do this we'll need to click on the start, go for the settings, right here find time and language, date and time, and right here you can enable set time automatically. You can also disable this option. Enable or disable set time zone automatically. Now if you decided to disable set time automatically, you'll be able to change all of the date and time settings manually with that change button. You can pick date as well as the time, confirm it with change. There's also option to synchronize your clock, choose different time zone, adjust for daylight saving time automatically. You can turn it on or off and show additional calendars in the taskbar. You can choose and pick whichever calendar you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.